We're at the AdvantageLumber.com world headquarters based in Sarasota, Florida at our sawmill here. I want to talk to you today about walnut. I'm Rob Pelc, owner and founder of AdvantageLumber.com. This is one of my favorite woods to work with, not just this wood, but this grade. This is our Rustic Mill Run Walnut, and what that means is it'll have some knots to work around. You can see some knots here. Maybe a broken edge to it. But what's cool is with walnut is when you get near that knot, you get some really cool grain patterns. You can see this board even has some really nice crotch figure that formed around that knot. So sometimes building with the top grade of walnut doesn't give you the nicest product. When I was building furniture, I would always go for these lower grades. One, you save money. Two, you get cooler figure in there without paying for figured woods. So right now on special, we have this $6 a board foot. It's kiln dried. If you buy 50 feet, it's $5.75. 100 feet, it's $5.50. 500 feet or more, it's $5. If you're watching this video and you mention my name, if you buy 100 feet or more, just tell them Rob said we'll do the $5. So it's a little special for watching this video. We want you to keep watching our social media. We're gonna keep putting little Rob specials in there, so mention my name while the supplies last. AdvantageLumber.com.